Hello, Prep 2. Let's start lesson 3 in unit 2, which is reflection and refraction. If I ask you, how can we see? We can see objects around us due to light reflection. Of course, light reflection. Can you tell me what is meant by light reflection? Light reflection, it is rebounding or it is, yes, returning back of the light waves in the same medium on meeting a reflecting surface. We have two types of reflection. We have regular reflection and irregular reflection. Regular reflection, light rays reflected in one direction, as plate mirror, a thin sheet of aluminum foil, stainless steel sheet. But irregular or non-uniform reflection is the light rays reflected in different directions, as a piece of paper, a leaf of a tree, piece of wood. What about the laws of light reflection? Law of light reflection, as we see, the first law, as the first, instant light ray. What is meant by instant light ray? Instant, it is a narrow beam which is represented by a straight line. It intersects with the reflecting surface at the point of instance. What about the angle of incidence? It is the angle between the instance light ray and the line perpendicular to the surface as the point of instance. Reflected light ray is a narrow light beam which is represented by a straight line that is reflected from the reflecting surface at the point of instance. And angle of reflection of light ray, it is the angle between the reflected light ray and the line perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of instance. So as we said, we have two laws of light reflection. The first law, angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Second law, the incident light ray, the reflected light ray, and the normal to the reflecting surface of reflection at the point of instance all lie in one plane, perpendicular to the reflecting surface. The instant light ray, which falls perpendicular on a reflecting surface, reflects on itself because the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection equals 0. What about light refraction? Light refraction is the change of light path when it travels from a transparent medium to another transparent medium of different optical density. Now we have to know what is meant by optical density. Optical density is the ability of the transparent medium to refract light. As the optical density increases, the speed of light through it decreases. We have instant light ray and we have angle of incidence, angle of reflection, here reflected light ray, refracted light ray. Okay, so the angle of emergence equals 60, equals the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence, it is the angle between the instant light ray and the normal at the point of incidence. But the angle of refraction is the angle between the refracted light ray and the normal. What about the angle of emergence? It is the angle between the emergent light ray and the normal. Laws of light refraction. We will talk about the laws of light refraction in the next video, inshallah. Thank you. Bye bye.